The students of Auxilium Convent High School have made a miniature model of MSCB. Let me introduce you to my teammates. I Arya.
I Rucha.
I Anvita.
I Mrunmay.
I Zanvi.
So, let me tell you few more main functions of MSCB. MSCB is Maharashtra State Electricity Control Board, which controls the supply of electricity throughout the state. At the power plant, electricity is generated by different sources such as thermal, coal burning, renewable energy sources, solar, wind, etc. After generation of electricity is transmitted by the transmission line at the substation. As it contains high voltage, so we can't use it in our daily domestic uses. So to reduce the voltage of electricity, transmission line brings that electricity at substation. At substation, a transformer is present. With the help of transformer, the transformer reduces the voltage of electricity from high to low voltage. After the conversion of the electricity, it is distributed with the help of grids and distribution line to our homes, schools, offices, etc.
This is first produced by the power plants. The transmission. The transmission line supplies energy which is produced by the power plant to cities or towns with high voltage rates. High voltage rate reduces the loss of energy during the energy transfer.
I Rucha and I am going to explain the role of MSCB in our daily life. First is power supply to homes. Power supply to homes. MSCB ensures continuous electricity for lights, fans, appliances and daily comfort. Without MSCB, our homes would be dark and many things wouldn't work. Next is support for education. Schools and colleges use electricity for lights, fans, labs, computers and online learning. MSCB also helps students to study better.
As Maharashtra State Electricity Board is the backbone of Maharashtra, here are some upgradations they'll be making in future. Firstly, upgrading infrastructure to replace old transmission lines with modern ones to reduce power loss. Also, to invest more in solar parks, wind farms and biomass plants. Maharashtra has a very good potential in wind and solar energy. Future of MSCB. More focus on solar, wind, biomass and small hydro project. Maharashtra is already among the top states among solar energy and wind power energy. We have also thought about moonlight energy for our future generation. And we have also came up with the idea of storage of electricity of lithium.
Thank you.
Thank you.